Hello friends, welcome to the TechListen channel. So friends, today I will talk about TCL's next generation X11H TV series. So friend, TCL is preparing its upcoming flagship TV series, the X11H, set to initially launch in the Chinese market. And friend, this series marks a significant advancement in companies offering incorporating mini-LED LCD technology. And friend, the X11H features a highly efficient backlight system that is 40% more energy efficient than traditional mini LED design, and despite its slim profile comparable to tablet thick rays without its base, the X11H does not compromise on performance. And friend, the X11H series is equipped with a 4K VA LCD panel supporting a high refresh rate of 144 Hz. It includes a staggering 14,112 dimming zones and achieve a peak brightness of up to 6500 nits. And the series will be available in two sizes, 85-inch and 98-inch. And friend, TCL has also introduced the X11H Max, a premium variant tailored for luxury market, and this 163-inch model boasts a XDR brightness level of 10,000 nits and support a 22-bit color gamut with HDR formats of up to 12 bits. And friend, the Max model is designed to offer an immersive home cinema experience with the built-in 6.2.2 channel sound system, which can be upgraded to a 7.1.4 channel setup. And friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.